Alright guys, we got the sticker off. I'll show you how it looks. Pretty much what I did, guys, is I just took the heat gun, I warmed it up. You know, you want to go, you don't want to hold the heat on it in one spot. You'll burn the damn sticker, you'll burn your paint. That'd be real bad. And you just get it warm. And I used card, see it melted a little bit. We'll just hit it with the heat gun and bend it right back out. But if you just use the end, the side of it to catch right there until we could get it rolled back enough and warmed up to where I could get a hold of it and just peel it. And I just stayed ahead of myself with the heat gun a little bit and kept it warm, and I just worked it back and forth. And when I thought it was too warm, I'd lift it up and I just pull the sticker real easy and soft. But it leaves this this glue line, so we're going to use the Goo Gone and get rid of this line here. So we're just going to use a microfiber rag and just rub on it pretty much, and we'll show you what that looks like. Once it was off, I just took the glue line and put the Goo Gone on it, let it sit, and then I just rubbed it real smooth up and down with that plastic laminated card, and pretty much it just clicked back and forth on the glue that was stuck there, the residue, and I just let... Okay, no, you're okay. And I pretty much just went up and down with the card and pretty much just let the Goo Gone sit and soak until it was gone. Cleaned the majority of it up, hit it with Goo Gone again, and then I took the heat gun to it real light and then hit the card again, wiped it all up, and as you can see, guys, it's really not visible at all. You can't really tell down the body anywhere. See, it's shiny as hell. You can see the reflection of everything, but you don't really see where that sticker was. So hopefully we have the same outcome with the rest of them, guys. Alright guys, we got this side done too. Aaron's over there working, buffing on that ugly scuff. We're going to see how he's coming along. But we got these stickers off. We got this one buffed out. You seen what we did? It works. You can see the finish right here. As you can see, you don't see anything at all where that sticker is, and it's very, very shiny. You see my reflection. Even at a different angle, you can't feel it. You can tell where the Goo Gone has cleaned all the residue and things off the clear coat. The clear coat has a nice shine. If you were to do the whole truck like that, buff it out, it would be very shiny, very smooth and clean to the touch. You'd be able to throw a rag on the hood and it'd probably slide right off. But that's the rear badges, 4x4 badges, they're gone. So we're going to start up front on the Eco Boost, I think, and work our way up from there.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.